How to cancel scheduled Uber ride. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel an already scheduled Uber ride. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your Uber app, and then there you want to open up your account. Now if you have any rides scheduled, then it'll show here. What you want to do is tap on the trips options. In my case, now I don't have any trips. Now if I try even booking it, then it says it's unavailable in my region, so there's no any options. What you want to do is you want to head into the account option at the bottom of your screen. You can see there are 4 different options at the bottom, so you want to simply tap on account option at the bottom right corner, and then what you want to do is you want to tap on trips option. Now here I haven't taken any trips, but if you have any trips scheduled, then it'll show up here. Now what you want to do once on trips is you want to tap the button at the top right and select the upcoming from the drop down menu. At the top right you'll find the upcoming option there. You want to select it, and then what you want to do is select the trip you like to change or cancel, and then tap on edit time option that you'll find along with the trip once you select it. And then to change your ride or to cancel a ride, you want to simply tap on cancel ride if you want to cancel, or you'll tap edit time if you want to change your ride. So this way you can cancel scheduled Uber ride. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.